Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the Kitchener stitch for this tubular bind off here. So I'm working with these 2 needles, and I've threaded a tapestry needle onto my yarn tail 3 or more times the length of the area that I'm going to bind off. Alright, so I'm starting on this silver needle through the first stitch as if to purl, pulling it through. And then on the gold needle, as you see, these are both still on the same side, as if to knit. Pull that through. Okay, that's just my setup there. Pull that a little more snug. Okay, now I'm going to start binding them off. So I'm going as if to knit in the first stitch, pulling that off the needle, as if to purl in the second stitch. All right, now to my gold needle, as if to purl, and I pull that one off, as if to knit, and it stays on the needle. I'm just going to repeat that now all the way to the end. So I'm going to the silver needle, knit, comes off, purl, and it stays on. To the gold needle, purl, comes off the needle, knit the second one, and it stays on. And when I'm saying knit, I mean knitwise, and when I'm saying purl, I mean purlwise. Here I go again on my silver needle. I'm going knitwise, pull the yarn through, that one comes off. Then I'm going as if to purl. That one stays on. In the back, purlwise, comes off, knitwise, and it stays on. In the front, knit, pull it off the needle, and purlwise here, stays on. Okay, so I'm at the end of this side. This already looks beautiful, a nice tubular edge, and I'm gonna magic loop over here. So I'm going to pull these cords around to the other side. The tubular bind off, it's a little fussy, but it's really worth it for something. Give it this like kind of more polished looking edge, especially with a smooth yarn like this and something that you're going to be wearing a lot on your hands, coming on and off a lot. Okay. Okay, so here I am. I'm going as if to purl on the gold needle, and that comes off as if to knit, and that stays on. As if to knit, comes off, as if to purl, stays on. Okay, so I'm going to work it just like that all the way to the end. As if to purl, as if to knit, as if to knit, comes off, as if to purl, stays on. As if to purl on the gold needle, comes off, as if to knit, it stays on. getting to the end here. Purlwise on the back needle. Pull that one off. Knitwise. Okay. Then on my last 2 stitches, as if to knit. Take the silver needle off, as if to purl on the gold one. And it's all done. Kitchener stitch for a tubular bind off.